Picture this, a tool so intuitive that it feels like it's reading your mind. That's ChatGPT in 2024. It's not just about asking and answering, it's about experiencing the sheer magic of AI. Check the links in the description so you can make your own ChatGPT account and follow along. Setting up ChatGPT is a breeze. Begin by visiting the official website and creating an account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly dashboard. Here, you can personalize your ChatGPT by selecting your interests, setting your language preferences, and even choosing an avatar for your AI companion. This customization allows ChatGPT to deliver a tailored experience right from the start. ChatGPT's core functions are what set it apart. It's equipped to handle a wide range of tasks, from answering complex questions to providing detailed explanations on a variety of topics. Its sophisticated algorithms allow it to understand context, remember previous interactions, and engage in a conversation that's as natural as talking to a human. The Creative Suite is where ChatGPT's versatility truly shines. Whether you're looking to write a novel, compose a song, or create engaging content for your blog, ChatGPT can help. It can brainstorm ideas, suggest edits, and even help overcome writer's block. For the musically inclined, it can assist in crafting melodies and lyrics that resonate with your audience. For developers, ChatGPT is an invaluable resource. It can assist with writing and debugging code, provide explanations for complex algorithms, and offer suggestions to optimize your projects. Its knowledge spans multiple programming languages and frameworks, making it a versatile tool for both novice and experienced programmers. In the realm of education, ChatGPT serves as an interactive learning assistant. It can help students grasp difficult concepts, provide step-by-step tutorials, and even simulate classroom discussions. Educators can use ChatGPT to create dynamic teaching materials and offer personalized support to students. If you're enjoying the journey we're on together, why not fuel it further? Dive into the description below, where you'll find a little portal to buy me a coffee. Your support is more than just a caffeine boost, it's the energy that drives this channel's creativity and keeps our tutorials alive. Thank you for being an amazing part of our community. ChatGPT's applications in business are vast. It can automate routine tasks, such as scheduling and email management, freeing up time for more strategic work. It can also generate reports, analyze data, and provide market insights, helping businesses make informed decisions. Privacy and security are at the forefront of ChatGPT's design. It employs advanced encryption and anonymization techniques to ensure that your conversations remain private. Regular security updates and transparent data policies are part of its commitment to user trust and safety. The future of ChatGPT is bright, with ongoing improvements and updates. It's poised to become even more intuitive with features like voice recognition and augmented reality integration on the horizon. The potential for new applications is limitless, and ChatGPT will continue to evolve alongside our needs. If this deep dive into ChatGPT has sparked your interest, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cutting-edge AI content. Share your thoughts and experiences with ChatGPT in the comments, and let's continue this conversation. Until next time, keep exploring the limitless potential of AI.